Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Shahidin and I will show you how to use Solidworks for your projects. So first of all, I will open Solidworks. I have Solidworks 2020, but if you have any version, you can go with this because all the versions they release are quite similar. So uh, SolidWorks interface is open now, so I can go with the part assembly and drawing, and you already know what is mean by part in assembly and drawing. Part, you have a single part, you can design a single part separately, and then you can go and assemble them in the assembly module and then create a drawing from a single part or from drawing. So I will simply go with the part. So the first of all, the window appear, SolidWorks interface appears. So at the top left corner, I have menu bar in which I can select many things for my projects. The view ribbon and sketch features. These are called modules, different modules. I can select many of them if required. So first of all, we go with the sketch and we will create a part from them. So for a sketch, we first select front plane. So selecting front plane, and a small pop-up window appears here in which I can select sketch. So when I select sketch, so I'm ready to draw any type of sketch. So I'm just drawing a simple so I draw a rough sketch which I will convert into the part. So after creating this type of geometry, so the second thing I will do to give dimensions, that which line is how much length. So if I select this line, so it is 85, I can select it 100, so it becomes 100. Similarly here it may be 120, whatever you can select from whichever. You can give any type of dimension. I'm just uh, it appears that I fully define the height, these two dimensions in this, so they calculate this by default, so I do not need to give it this dimension. I can give this 40, 40. If I give this dimension, it will warn me that it is over defined. You can see it, so I'm not going with that. So if you notice, these lines were blue before and now it appeared black. That is why the sketch is fully defined. so nothing left without dimensions. Now I can go with the creating spot from apart from this. So I will exit this sketch from this arrow type button. So I am ready with this sketch. If you do not exit, then you can go to feature and extrude it. You can extrude it, you can revolve revolve it, you can do many things with that. But first of all, we will go to extrude option. So in the extrude option, you select from which uh, thing you want to um, extrude this sketch. So sometimes we extrude things from surfaces, sometimes we extrude from vertices. So I'm not going into detail here right now. uh, I will do it later in the videos, which will be advanced course, but we will keep it as it is. Now blind, in this I have to give the direction. So blind means go how much you want, 20 mm, 30 mm. You can select whichever dimension you want. I can select 25 or 100. So 100, I did it wrong, I wrote 1000. And you can give the drop angle. Drop angle means that as it extruded from the sketch, it will reduce the angle. So if you can look, you can see, but right now I do not need this, so I deselect this option. Hope you understood this tutorial. So I will suggest you to practice this tutorial by yourself, so you can get command on that. If you are new to my channel, so please subscribe my channel for new videos. Please also hit the bell icon so you can get notification whenever I upload videos related to SolidWorks. Thank you. Bye bye.